Hello students of class 6, welcome to the online tutorial classes for Vidya Bhavan High Secondary School. This video is for class 6 physical science and the chapter that I will conclude today, it is the static and dynamic of the fluid liquid gas, and it is the last video from this chapter. Okay, it is the 7th video. So today in this video I will discuss about the application of the Bernoulli's principle. Application of Bernoulli's principle. Okay. So there are many examples, and one most common everyday examples of the Bernoulli's is the air flights. Here, the main way of the Bernoulli's principle works on air flight has to do with the architecture of the wings of a plane. In the aeroplane wings, the top of the wing somewhere is curved like this. The top of the wing is somewhere curved, and the lower of the wing or the bottom part of the wings is totally flat. While in the sky, the air travels across the both of the top and the bottom wings. Just cautionally that because of the top part of and the bottom part of the wings are designed differently, this allows for the air on the bottom to move slower and on the top to move faster. The air is moving, and in this bottom it moves slower, and on this top it moves faster, which creates more pressure. Like this allows the air to create more pressure on the bottom and allows the air, as the air is moving faster in this upper side, it creates less pressure. Okay, so here the slow moving air that creates the more pressure, and in the upper side the fast moving air. Why? Because here is slope is present, that is why the air is moving faster. It creates the less pressure. Okay, and that is why that created to lift the plane, and it allows the plane to fly. Okay, so it is the first application of this Bernoulli's principle. Secondly, we can tell that a person standing near the railway track are always pulled toward the train. So that is why when a fast moving train is passed close to him, the fast moving train decreases the pressure between the person and the train, and due to this a greater pressure on the other side of the person is present that push the person toward the train. So that is why people and they are warned to come across the fast moving train or the fast train that don't stop in the station. Okay, so they are also told to not to stand in the edges of the platform, because that can cause an accident because a fast moving train can attract them. Okay, because due to the less air pressure, and the air pressure in the back side is more, that is why the fast moving train can attract that person and it can be an accident. So that is why you have to stand not in the edges of the platform when one fast moving train is going. Okay, so the next example you can tell also about the tornadoes. Okay, tornadoes do not tear the roofs off of the house. It is the higher pressure inside your house that exert a force outside, and it moves the roofs outside. Like in the normal condition, if it is a house, in the normal condition, it is the roof of the house. The normal pressure is also exerted in this air, and the outside air pressure is also here, and it is the high winds. and here when it is going on the tornado, it creates a low pressure. So if the pressure inside the house is becoming more than the pressure which is present in the outside, that can easily, pressure can give the more pressure and easily can take it off. Okay. So as long as the inside of the outside pressures are remain same, the roof stays up. If the pressure, outside pressure is lowered significantly by the high winds of the tornado, the ceiling just lifts up like a bird's wing due to the greater atmospheric pressure below the top, and this is no longer an equal pressure. When in outside it became low and here it is high. When it is here in inside of the house it is high and outside it is low, then it will create more pressure and easily can just tear off the roofs. Okay, so by this we can also conclude that it is the application of the Bernoulli's principle. Okay, one more example I am giving. If area of cross section at one end of a hose pipe is reduced by pressing with finger, velocity of water flow increases there. This happens because due to the decreases of the cross section of the pipe, pressure of the water is decreased there. So according to Bernoulli's theorem, the velocity of the water flow increases there. For that reason, if the area of the mouth of the water tap is reduced with thumb, water from the tap falls with more speed. Okay, so these all are the applications of this Bernoulli's principle. So in this chapter we learned about the concept of the pressure, concept of the weight. The pressure is force by area. So how the pressure is exerted to a fluid, liquid and gas. Also the applications of the pressure, then the pressure on the fluids, how it acts, and then the lateral pressure and the normal pressure and atmospheric pressure. Then some effects of the pressure with the examples, many various kinds of the examples according to the laws. Then we learned about the concept of the Bernoulli's principle that states that the lower moving fluid exerts more pressure than the first moving fluid. And there are some very lively examples I gave you, that the air flights, and also about this tornado, and also about the railway track attracts the people who are standing in the edges of the platforms, and many more. And by this I am concluding this chapter. I will make some new video with a new chapter. Till then, thank you.